American humorist Helen Rowland once said, "Flirting is the gentle art of making a man feel pleased with himself." But let's be real, flirting doesn't feel like an art when you're in the moment. It feels awkward. You don't know what to say, when to say it, or how not to sound weird. You try to be funny, and it comes out forced. You try to be smooth and end up overthinking everything. Sound familiar? Maybe you've missed chances to connect with someone you liked. Or worse, you've said something and instantly regretted it. It happens to a lot of us. The good news? Flirting is a skill, and like any skill, it can be learned. In this video, I'll share 10 clear and practical tips to help you flirt better, feel more confident, and actually enjoy the process. Let's get into it. 1. Let your body do some of the talking. Flirting isn't just about words, it's about how you show up. Good eye contact, a genuine smile, open posture. These little signals show you're interested and present. You don't need to try too hard. Just relax and let your body language match your intentions. People feel it when you're really paying attention. 2. Show you've got something upstairs. You don't need to be a genius, but showing a bit of intelligence always helps. Share a quick, clever thought. Make a light joke that shows you're sharp. Bring something interesting to the conversation. It's not about trying to impress, just let your natural curiosity and smarts shine through. A good laugh and a good thought? That's a solid combo. 3. Keep it gentle and respectful. Confidence is good, but pushing too hard isn't. Read the vibe. If someone seems uncomfortable, ease up. Flirting should feel light and safe, not overwhelming. Be kind, be respectful, and let things happen naturally. When you're calm and thoughtful, it makes the other person feel at ease too. 4. Bring positive energy. No one wants to flirt with someone who feels like a dark cloud. A cheerful attitude makes a huge difference. Smile, laugh, enjoy the moment. It's not about being overly bubbly, it's about showing that you're someone fun to be around. People are drawn to good energy, so let yours show. 5. Add a hint of romance. A little romantic touch can make your flirting feel more genuine. Maybe it's how you look at them, the way you compliment them, or how you really listen when they talk. It doesn't have to be dramatic, just warm and sincere. That small romantic spark can leave a big impression. 6. Be brave, even if you're nervous. Let's be honest, flirting takes guts. You might be nervous, and that's okay. The key is to show up anyway. Take the chance. Say the compliment. Start the conversation. Confidence doesn't mean you're never scared, it means you try anyway. And that effort? It stands out. 7. Find something you both enjoy. Shared interests make everything easier. Whether it's music, movies, food, or random life stuff, having something in common keeps the conversation flowing. It also shows that you're paying attention and really want to connect. Find that common ground, and build from there. 8. Put effort into how you look. The way you present yourself says a lot before you even speak. Take time to look neat, smell fresh, and wear something that fits your style. It's not about impressing others, it's about feeling good in your own skin. When you feel confident, it shows, and that energy is attractive. A little effort in your appearance goes a long way. 9. Leave a little mystery. You don't have to share everything right away. In fact, it's better if you don't. Give people a reason to want to know more. Be honest and open, but also let the conversation unfold naturally. A bit of mystery keeps things interesting and gives you more to talk about later. 10. Pick the right time, and the right approach. Flirting isn't one size fits all. What works in one moment might fall flat in another. So be thoughtful. If someone's dealing with something personal, don't make jokes about it, especially if it's something they're sensitive about. Instead, find a way to uplift them with kindness or humor. Flirting should never make someone feel small, it should make them feel seen. Flirting doesn't have to feel like a guessing game. When you're kind, confident, and genuine, people notice. It's not about cheesy lines or trying too hard, it's about connection. So next time you feel that spark, use these tips to let it grow. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.